Your Skills Journey, a personal roadmap to academic success. You are here. Every successful journey begins by knowing your starting point. By taking the skills check, you will gain an understanding of how confident you're currently feeling about your academic study skills. And from here, you can begin to make your plans for success. Be an active traveller. The more you think about how you think, the more you will understand about how you learn. An active learner will be constantly reviewing their progress. They will plan, they will do, and they will review. By reflecting on your performance and adapting your strategies, you will develop your skills as a confident and independent learner. Don't travel alone. No great explorer would prepare for an exhibition without a guidebook, local experts, and a backup team at their side. Don't be afraid to take advantage of all the great resources that we have to prepare you for your journey. We have advisors, we have librarians, and we provide plenty of opportunities for you to meet and talk to other students. Have the correct kit. Do you have everything you need for your big adventure? Think about the equipment you might need, the software that you will use, and the resources that will help you along the way. And if you don't know where to start, just ask. It's a long-haul trip. You are just at the very beginning of your journey to great academic results. Here at university and in your life beyond, your personal and your professional development is a continuous process. So climb on board and enjoy the trip.